Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, subscribe, helps me out a bit. So yeah, going to start off, it's day 3 of me cycling around the Lake District. I'm at Wheatsheaf at Lawton. I probably got that wrong. But yeah, camped here last night. I think it was about £8 for the night. Ate in the pub, the Wheatsheaf obviously. Food was actually spot on. I think you'd struggle to find a bad place in the Lake District to eat. So yeah, that was spot on. So I just got to pack away everything there, load it all onto the bike, and then I'm going to head north to Cockermouth, get some SD cards as I forgot them. I'm going to start heading south then. Hopefully going to go through Whitehaven and St Bees, and then I've found a campsite on the map which I think probably about 4 hours cycling today, so I best get a move on really. So yeah, about 4 hours of cycling. Yesterday I did about 6 and it was a tough day because basically the hills that you can see behind me, I was on the other side of them but further that way, I think. Let's have a look. Let me just get my compass. Yeah, so I was behind them, on the other side of them, but further that way. And I've come right round, up and over, and it was horrible. It would seem I made a wrong turn. Thought I had. But I've gone down too many steep hills to turn back now. So this is actually the first time of the trip. I'm going to have to get the map out and work out where I am. So the sign said Cockermouth this way, and then when I've turned down here, it's not down again. Oh well. So after looking at the map, yeah, I was going the wrong way. I can still get to Cockermouth this way, and I'm going to have to, because the cycle route 72, which I'm jumping on, obviously goes from there through Whitehaven and down to St Bees where I'm staying tonight. So it's at the top of this hill and turn right. Arrived in Cockermouth, gonna get some stuff from Sainsbury's and then head to Whitehaven and St Bees. The sun's out, it's roasting. I need a shower. There we go, now in Whitehaven. Going to head down to the marina and have a pint, I think. though it's deleted out in the edit. I'm hoping this downhill bit here takes me to St Bees. If there's another uphill bit, I'm wild camping. I'm dumping this somewhere. Hello, so we just arrived at St Bees, Sea Court, I think the campsite's called. A lot of caravans, as you can probably see, and a lot of sheep. So yeah, this was actually a recommendation this morning from the Lakes 100, link down in the description below. So yeah, they've got a map and all that good stuff showing you around the lakes, so definitely worth getting. I've got two because I lost the first one. So yeah, set up as you can see, bike's a bit of a graft coming down here. I'll just flip the camera around. So if you can see at the top of the hill there, is it there? I can't really see on the camera, I think it's there. You'll see a road, and yeah, that's where I came down. So obviously I was on the other side of that. So yeah, it was a bit of a graft getting here, but Roscoe does it again, strikes again, the old Roscoe there. So yeah, gonna set up, get showered, go and find somewhere to eat. I think there's a bar or something over in the distance, so yeah, I'll be on with that. Tomorrow it's scheduled for rain all night tonight, and tomorrow and Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday. So I'm going to aim now I've got to St Bees. I'm going to basically aim now to get back to Windermere, so I'll probably camp at Esdale tomorrow, which is a first shift, and then work my way back to Windermere by Wednesday is the plan. I was going to do till Thursday, but with the weather being crap, well, it's one of them. So yeah, I'm going to probably head to Windermere, aim to get there for Wednesday now, and get the train back to Wigan, and then cycle home from there. So I'm in the tent for tonight, and I'm not even bothered that it's windy, because tomorrow I've got a camping pod. It's a 3-hour cycle from here, which is doable. But yeah, so it's got a heater, it's got a plug socket. So tonight it's about 8 o'clock, I think. Yeah, 10 to 8. So tonight I'm going to use what power I've got, watch some stuff on my phone and just chill out. Then tomorrow I can charge everything back up. Happy days. So I'll see you in the morning. I've got a 3-hour cycle in the rain. I can't wait.